Hey you guys, we're here today with Fetty Potter, Nigel, Ryan Jones, Carlos, Lestranosaurus Rex, and special guest Chris McNugget. Welcome back to the Braille House, my friend. We're here today for a very exciting video, the longest Ollie challenge with that done there, Teen Ramps mini kicker right there. We've done it on flat, we've done it up the bank, we've never done it on flat with a kicker. We're making leaps and bounds today. You guys have been enjoying the skateboarding content, so we're trying to bring some more skateboarding content to you. So let me just have Nigel show you guys a little wang dang we have set up here right now.
This isn't as far as it goes, is it?
No.
Well, as of right here, where I'm standing right now, without the kicker, this is the longest Ollie.
Really?
16 feet, like 4 inches or something.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Just from flat.
From flat.
Can I make a prediction right now? I don't think you'll go as far with the kicker. I think you'll go less far with the kicker. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment below before this video starts.
You do know I have the wall right there, right?
And I have a wall right there and right there. But you don't see me jumping farther. So I ended the tape measure around 18 feet. Nigel, what do you think your longest Ollie today is going to be?
I'll say 13.
13. What about you, Fetty?
9.
9? What about you?
I project about 8 feet for myself, but I want to make 10.
8 feet.
I'm not a good kicker.
But he wants to hit 10 and Carlos Lasher.
9.5, 10, maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
No, you can get further than that.
I at least need to pass 10 feet to feel
Be
good
my
about myself
guess.
today.
I actually gotta try. We'll see.
Fetty, make a shot.
Should we start?
Here's the rundown for how it's gonna work. We have the kicker right here, we have a skateboard upside down, and we have the tape measure. We're gonna start off at 1 foot. You guys are all gonna go. Every time you guys land it, we're gonna move it out. This is not like a competition or anything. You have as many tries as you want to try to land each one. We'll see what the time constraints allow. It's a competition within yourself to improve and be a better person. Once you land this, we'll move it to 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, onwards until you guys hit your max capacity of board length. So it's a competition. With yourself.
With myself.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Don't say competition, or Fetty and Nigel will get really competitive. Disqualified. Disqualified. And he didn't land it. But Chris, one last thing before we start. Did you hear that I'm not yelling in videos anymore?
Is this a thing?
This is a
'Cause
very,
I
this
saw
is
lot
a
of
very
comments
serious
where,
thing.
People are just like, stop yelling.
They were bummed with my yelling, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give the people what they want, and I'm
I
not
think-
yelling. But now they're bummed I'm not yelling, and they think I'm sad.
You know it's funny?
What?
I don't care.
Poor headphone users.
If it looks like I'm not excited at something that you do today, I am, just inside, and I'm holding it
I
in.
really don't feel as happy with you not yelling, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The morale is just so low without Gabe's
I ain't letting
voice.
these people in the comments get to me. Come on, come at me. I'ma yell all day, cut. I'll be in your ear, right, sir?
Well, let's allow the long Ollie challenge to begin, my friends. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
1 foot of an Ollie, let's get it going. There's one.
Get over this one? Okay.
But it's
All right, pause. Now we move it a whole foot. The right here is now gonna be at 2 feet.
That's 2 feet right there.
There's 2 feet. Already a noticeable difference in length.
Me and this length have a lot in common. We both have 2 feet.
Did you see Fetty Ollie the entire thing?
Yeah.
That was sick, dude. And Chris, you just went like 9 feet
I thought
already.
he was gonna do the same thing, but he just cleared it. I'm like, I'm not doing that.
All right, Nigel, we're at 3 feet now.
It's about how tall I am.
If you can Ollie this, you can Ollie Carlos. Okay, hold up. I wanna reiterate the rules one more time to everyone. We are measuring length on the back truck for what you can clear from the board. If you clip, rebate. All right, we're at 4 feet.
Yes, sir.
4 feet. So far, so good. Aussie Dan, where have you been? You better get in this. Put that sandwich down. No, you don't get to eat that. Put it in the fridge. Get your skateboard and get out. You got a 4 foot Ollie to do.
I can't Ollie.
Dude, $40 was donated to you yesterday because they wanted you to be released.
Donate me $40 right now, I'll do it.
Oh, you're just horrible.
This is far. I think I'm out. I think I'm done. I'm gonna sit this one out.
We are at 5 feet, roughly twice the height of Carlos. 6 feet.
6 feet.
And we got Fetty coming up to do his Ollie. Very easily done. Well done, all of you. Let's move the board to 7. And now we're already 2 feet away from what you thought was your cap. So what do you think right now?
I think that will be my cap.
The same thing. I think like 8 feet.
8, 9, yeah.
What are you thinking?
For what?
Your cap.
No cap.
By the way, we're now at 7 feet.
I think he's gonna go the farthest, him and Nigel.
Who do you guys think is gonna get the longest Ollie in this video? Leave a comment below right now.
Well, let's do 8 and we'll see how it goes.
Oh, the first bail of the video at 8 feet. Betty, it looked like you were gonna back 180 that. How was that?
Simple.
Difficult?
Do you see my Ollie? It landed before I did.
It's getting more difficult.
First bail of the video, huh?
I know. Well, I was trying to kick a bit. I was getting greedy.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. That was a bail.
You fooled me though. We're at 9 feet.
This is my cap.
With relative ease. Looking good out there, man.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
Trying.
Daddy.
You got it.
I want to be like that. I want to be like that.
Just full set.
Okay.
9 feet is actually very far. That's
But-
like the deep
but
end of
is
a
it?
pool. You cleared that by at least 4 feet.
He turned it to primo.
Clean up crew.
Who, me?
How did he land that? We're going to go to 10 now.
Now it's gonna get a little hectic.
Great job, guys. You can do
No, you're not done yet.
It's those legs, man. He could just Air Jordan that.
Yes.
That was awesome.
He hit the tape measure.
Disqualified.
Does that count? That counts. You got it, dude. You
Okay.
can do it. I believe in you.
I've had it up to
Look
here
what
with you,
you've started.
Carlos. Had it up to here with you, okay?
Well, at least I'm taller than that. Well, I did only 2 of me so far. No, 2
Wait,
of me.
10 feet?
11.
That's at least 4 of you.
5'4", so I think the next foot will be 2 of me.
You're like 2'2". I don't know who you're trying to fool right now. What?
You know what the people want. They want to... You know what to do.
Yeet!
He did yeet.
He can do it. He yeeted.
I don't got any more pop.
You can do it. You made that. You just got to land on top of it. All right, Aussie, who's winning?
McNugget.
I don't know what to say.
Yo!
All right, Ollie.
Full wang danger.
I cracked my whole bag. I used all my yeet ability.
Are we calling it there then?
Yep, 9 was the cap for me.
Okay, Fetty has officially disqualified himself from the competition.
Don't say competition.
Now we have Nigel, Carlos, and Chris McNugget as the 3 contestants left. Let's see who can do 11 feet.
Damn.
That was so close. That makes me not want to try it.
I'm ready for you,
do
Carlos.
it.
You almost hit the tape measure again.
Seeing 2 legends almost clip this is like terrifying because I'm next.
Oh my god!
You made it like 14.
What in the world?
Did I go for it?
That by 3 feet.
Heck yeah.
I think
Landed like right here somewhere.
I got at least 12 then. We're good.
I think you got further than I do.
you want to change your vote now, huh? He said he wasn't good at them, and then he does that. So we're up to
12 feet.
12 feet.
12 feet.
It's crazy what the human body can do when you have a skateboard under your feet.
Can I get a chicken teriyaki? I told you, you needed to give him a chicken teriyaki.
Hit the nos right.
Chicken teriyaki!
Go ahead, Lositos. Did he just dust a crack?
You done dust the crack with your booty.
He dusted a crack with his crack. All right, McNug.
Should I just go for it?
Full send.
Okay.
I gotta start up my 2JZ real quick.
Wait. Oh!
We got a hit and run.
You see what he just did?
Ow.
12 feet is taking some victims right now. He hit the tape measure, but it's okay because he cleared the board easily. Let's get it. Boom. On to 13 feet.
I gotta take the sunglasses off for this one. I am dead tired from this drive we just had, so.
I come in here to get a thumbnail camera, and I come out here and everyone is exploding.
I have like a little bit more speed I could put into it, but that's about it, dude.
We're at 13 feet. Yeah, I'm pretty scared right now. But you gotta conquer fear to grow. So here it goes.
You just don't like that tape measure, huh?
This is the biggest gap I've ever done for sure. If I land it.
So you can do it.
Moment of truth. I should have shaved. We good, we good.
Surprised I cleared that.
One man on a mission to get a good thumbnail, proving to be an impossible task.
I got a terrible push, but I was like, I need to land this so I can not really land it.
Now it's all on me.
One
Oh, hello.
giant.
Well, we got other videos to do, so I'm gonna call it there.
He just landed it though.
Do you wanna up the ante? Or at least try 14 feet? It's up to you.
All right, whatever.
Yes.
All right. My fate is in your hands right now.
All right.
Yes. Carlos has done 13 feet, and now we're gonna go to 14 for McNugget and Nigel and see who comes out on top. Hi, Luke.
Luke Lastra. Yeah, he's like my Pikachu. He's a real life Pokemon.
That was difficult.
He cleared it. His back truck cleared it.
I'll allow it.
All right, you wanna go?
I'll try once. Oh, I'm dead.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna give it like one serious try, and then if I don't get it, it's his, so. It was like the freakiest but most serene experience, like just sliding across the Braille floor at 20 miles an hour. So, I can do it.
So let's go look at the landing, right? Let's take this play by play. We're supposed to land right here. We're going so fast, so fast. This is where we end up like half the time, dude. That's like, it's like an extra 16 feet itself, dude.
All right, verifying that everything's still in place, we're good. I'm gonna give it one more shot.
You got it, brother. Yeah, man.
I make this shot, he's got it. Everything not to yell right there. Oh!
There we go. That's what I was looking for. I'm done. I'm gonna cap it there.
Wow. Anyways,
No,
no, you gonna give 15 a try? One single Wang Danga for all the marbles.
But I want to save
You
myself
can
for
walk
skate
away
roulette.
a winner right now, just one try. Full send, get the engine revving, One try is all you need. Just one. Full send. You have the power. One go. That's all we need. Are you ready?
I really don't want to try this.
That was a quarter cent. It wasn't even a half cent.
I hurt my hip, I'm not gonna lie. We still gotta play skate roulette for the people.
If you don't want to try it, it's all good. I understand.
That was my one.
We can call it.
That was my one.
I understand.
Why?
There's a lot of other stuff I need you to do today, so we'll call it there before you get hurt. So,
Hey.
Fetty, you capped out at 9 feet. How
Exactly.
you feel? How you feel?
I feel good. That's exactly where I knew I was gonna make. You know, I wasn't that good at all these. There's a cat.
Carlos tapped out at 13 feet, and Nigel and Chris McNugget tapped out at 14 feet. They are the joined
They didn't
winners.
even tap out. They just
They
win.
didn't tap out. They just automatically win by default because 14 feet is very far. So go ahead
like
and click
6
the
feet.
videos right there for a bunch of content that you guys will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and check out our new website, brailleskateboarding.com, for everything you will ever need in skateboarding. See you next time.